So as you can see, we got a bunch of Air Jordan 4 Retro Desert Camo 9.5. Most sizes are 9.5, and a lot of them are size 14 back there. And as you can see, there we go. Nice camo. There you go. And they are selling for $189.97. It's about retail. Nice one. And also they also got this one, Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Gym Red Obsidian White. Boom, there we go. Nice one. That's a nice colorway. The other thing is they only have size 12 and mostly size 13 and 14, and that's it. Any thoughts on the Jordan Mars 270? This one is like the shutter backboard colorway, and as you can see like that, and the retail is $160 and they're selling it for $70 for the Jordan Mars 270 shutter backboard. Well, if you strike out from the retro of the Jordan 11, this looks like that one. I got Jordan Max Aura, and it got the patent leather just like the Jordan 11. Well, why not? It's a budget friendly $89.99 for the Jordan Max Aura, and the retail was $120 and now is $89. How about the Jordan Why Not 02.2? Look at that one, a crazy vibe, different color, different type of materials they put in here. Nice basketball shoes. I bet this is gonna be very comfortable basketball shoes, and they were selling for $100, but there's no discount though. So what do you think about this one? We got the Nike Air Max Zero Essential 50, $9.99 with additional 20. We got a full size front, not bad for this one. 60 with additional 20. And how about this one? Nike React Element 87, and they are selling for $99.97 with the additional 20% off. This one's really good. Nice bad and nice and bad. What is bad? Kinda the color, but the nice is the price, and they are still hype with the Nike React Element 87. But hey, take that one. Nike React ISPA $84.99 with additional 20. Nice bold colorway, platinum tint, turmeric red. Nice ISPA out there. Good price though, $84.99. Another good one, Nike React Element 55, $69.99 with additional 20. Already got me one of this, but probably I'm gonna get another one. But this one also is good. We got some gym red colorway, Nike React Element 55, and they are selling for $69 or $70 with the additional 20% off. I almost missed this one, $79 or $80, additional 20 for the Element, also 55. This one is much nicer colorway. Got the white and black bright crimson for $80 with the additional 20, and also we got another cheapest one, the Nike Renew Lucent for $50 with additional 20, and this one also 70 for additional 20. A lot of Nike React Elements are going on sale. Nike Samsuki, $44.99 with additional 20 colorway platinum. Also the red, black, also the white infrared. That one's much better, the white infrared. Same, 20% off. Well, how about Air Force One canvas, selling for $70 with additional 20. Nice color though, simple, but that thing's gonna pop up a little bit, but hey, not bad for the $70 with additional 20. This one's still sitting here. They gone down to $79.97 with the additional 20% off. The Air Force One Foam Posite Pro Cup snake skin. Hey, come on, get it. You're also looking for a much cheaper. You got the Air Zoom Alpha, $40 with additional 20. Come on, get it. Found another good ones here. Cortez Basic Leather, white and black, and check out the price, $34.97 with the additional 20% off. Ooh, what can you say about that? Well, they also got the Nike V-Break SP for $60 with the additional 20% off. The colorway is the Ocean Fog Metallic and Gold. Nice color, simple though, $60 with the additional 20. So what do you think about the Nike Huarache Edge HP colorway? Is the Sail Summit White or some kind of off-white vibe? There you go. As you can see, some yellow tab pull, and really it's like a off-white vibe. $89.99 with additional 20% off. Your thoughts on Nike Air Huarache Run, and they are selling for $60 with the additional 20. Nice color camo, desert camo. They're very comfortable for a Nike Huarache Run, and it's really good price with the 60 with additional 20. Nike Air Max 95 Essential. Nike Air Max 97. How about this one? Air Max 270 React, like a Oregon colorway, and selling for $150 though. Nike Odyssey React for $59.99. Check this out. We got some Nike ID from Kyrie 6 ID, as you can see right there. And then some Jordans. Jordan 1 High Zip, colorway is the black, and Cell Hyper Royal. Well, I think this one is really cool because this one is really soft, like, I don't know, it's this that they call the battery soft, really soft. Here, check this out. $119.97 with additional 20 of the Nike Air Max 97 SE. Nice colorway, White Spirit Nightshade. Huh. Nice one though. 120 with the 20. Another good ones here in the women's section, with some lot of sale of the Nike React Element 55 University Red 60 with additional 20, and different colorways. The Ocean Cube Amethyst Tint 60 bucks with additional 20, but this one is much more expensive, probably because of the black and red colorway and additional 20. Come on, we got a Nike Women's Joyride already on the outlet. As you can see right there, the new innovation of the Nike Joyride, and they were selling for 130 and the additional 20%. Now we're in the women's section. Check this one. We got the women's Air Max 98, and they're selling for 80 bucks for the light and overly wood colorway. Check that one. Not bad for the price though. 80 bucks with the 20. Another pick of the week. We got some Air Max 720 for $109.99 with the additional 20%. Also they got the white colorway, same price. Nice. This one is much better. It's good for summer. And also another one with the same colorway, same price with the black colorway. They got a bunch of the black colorway though. Full size run. We find another good deal. Women's Blazer Mid Rainbow colorway is the 14 University Red, 50 bucks with the additional 20. Another good ones here. The Nike Women's Classic Cortex Leather for 55, additional 20% for the white, red, and blue colorway. It's just a very classic colorway. What's that? You got some Jordan 1s, women's Air Jordan 1 Rebel. Colorway is this silk, red, black, and white. Not bad for this one, but it's an 80 bucks without the discount.